stand next to you 1 year, and next year they cannot stand there. They just going crazy screaming. They just can't take it that you're right there. But just last year, I was in the same club, walking around lonely like a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Couldn't get a date. Couldn't get nobody to dance with me. I was too skinny, too something. And now he's just adorable. He's just
I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas tryna sound like us. Say they ready for the bump, but I don't think they know. Straight to the depths of hell is where those cowards going. Well, all your skill down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride, hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, little life of a and get crossed later, the future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things. I 5 below, bands wanting flashy bangs. Bitches pursue me like a dream, been known to disappear before your eyes like a dope beam. It seems my main thing was to be major, paid the game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Save money, bring bitches, bitches bring lies. One nigga's getting jealous and motherfuckers die. Depend on me like the first and 15. You might hold me for a second, but we both gon' get me. We got 4 niggas and low riders and ski masks screaming thug like every time they pass. All eyes on me. Little life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life of a boss player. All eyes on me. Little life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life.